We heard a lot about high BP, people popping in medicine daily, but the high BP is not getting cured because it's not a disease, it's a disorder and it can be cured with some lifestyle changes. Namaste everyone, welcome to Play and Wings Yoga. I'm Shantika. Today we are here to discuss about these lifestyle changes which we can do to cure high BP. Firstly, we have to make our sleep cycle good. We have to go in the bed at the same time and we have to wake up at the same time. Try to wake up early in the morning and go for a walk or some exercise. So the second point is coming, doing some physical exercise. It can be walk, 30 to 40 minutes walk in the garden or in the park or in the rooftop. Try to connect with the nature as much as possible. Third is coming, stress. Reduce your stress. I know in this fast-paced world, we all are stressed because some or the XYZ reasons. But high stress leads to high BP. Fourth and most important is sodium. Yes, we have to cut down the sodium intake. You have to change from the white salt to pink salt or sendha namak or some other variety of salt which is lighter version which is now available in the market. Like for example in Tata, it is now selling another variety of salt, Tata Light. So you can switch to that salt or best sendha namak or the pink salt. And there are few mudras and pranayama also which will also help you. So we will first discuss the pranayamas. First pranayama is Anulom Vilom Pranayama. For that, we have to keep the left hand in Dhyan Mudra on the knee and with the right hand Nasikra Mudra. And first close your eyes, then exhale completely. Then breathe in from the left, breathe out from the right. Again breathe in from the right, breathe out from the left. Breathe in left, breathe out right. Breathe in right, breathe out left. Next comes Chandrabhedhan Pranayama. For that, we will only breathe in from the left and breathe out from the right. Same, left hand Dhyan Mudra, right hand Nasikra Mudra. Now, exhale completely. Now just breathe in from the left. Breathe out right. Again breathe in left. Breathe out right. Breathe in left. Breathe out right. And the last pranayama is Bhramari Pranayama. For that, you have to close your ears with the thumb, eyes with the index and the middle finger, ring finger the nose and little finger just below the lips. And we will breathe in and make a ma sound. So let's start. Breathe in. Keep your eyes closed, feel the vibration in your body. Next, we will discuss about some mudras. So before performing any mudra, turn towards the east or the north side of your house. Okay? So first turn and then we will start any mudra. The first mudra is Gyan Mudra. You have to just touch the thumb with the index finger and keep it on your knees. Make sure these all fingers are touching each other. It is not spread apart. It should touch each other. And keep it on your thighs. Close your eyes and go into meditation. Just sit with yourself. Second mudra is Apana Mudra. For that, index and middle finger closed, the index and the little finger straight. Keep it on your knees and again sit with yourself for 10 minutes. Closed eyes. Try to do all the mudras in the morning time. Do not perform any mudra before going to bed. And if you are doing any mudra sitting on a chair, try to keep a cushion just beneath your feet and then perform the mudra. Do these lifestyle changes and see the benefit and feel the benefit in yourself. Saying this, do not suddenly stop your medicine. Consult with your doctor and do this lifestyle changes along with your medicine and get the benefit and get the full benefit out of it. Namaste. See you in the next video.